Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January 2025, our system has categorized Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.66. Now, let's examine the performance of the stock during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 1.08%. This equates to an average return of 0.54% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $373.61 be breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it might also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 32.34% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 22.21% to 77.99%. Meanwhile, the 12-month trend forecasts a change of 94.97% over the next year, with expected returns between 34.95% and 145.09%. This corresponds to a price range of $546.01 to $991.62 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Tesla. The Tesla stock price gained 1.08% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, rising from $400.28 to $404.60. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.62% with a low of $401.43 and a high of $419.98. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances, resulting in an overall drop of 2.23% during this period. The trading volume fell by 15 million shares on the last day, with a total of 82 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $33.37 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $488.54 and its lowest price of $138.80. Currently, the price sits 17.18% or $83.94 below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla has recently encountered a notable shift in market perception as analysts suggest reducing stock holdings due to concerns about overvaluation. This overvaluation is driven by overly optimistic forecasts related to future products, including the Optimus humanoid robot and full self-driving technology. Following a substantial gain of 126% after a previous upgrade, the stock has once again drawn skepticism, especially after reporting an 8% decline in vehicle revenue and the necessity for incentives to sustain sales momentum. Investors responded to Tesla's mixed fourth-quarter earnings with a brief increase in stock value, yet this rise was tempered by a surge in short volume, indicating growing apprehension in the market. Current market dynamics suggest that Tesla stands at a crossroads, burdened by rising competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers and regulatory challenges, particularly in Europe. In the short term, the stock may experience volatility as it navigates developments in autonomous driving technology alongside real-world applications. In the long term, its capability to generate significant cash flow could reshape the narrative, provided it can maintain growth amidst escalating market pressures. As the landscape continues to evolve, investors will need to vigilantly observe both operational performance and external challenges that may affect Tesla's trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a grade of neutral with a recommendation to hold. Earlier on Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a grade of neutral with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio as well is rated strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Tesla stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average reflects a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $417.73. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $401.17. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and to date, the stock has fallen by 15.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal that occurred 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 37 days ago. The short-term moving average has signaled a buy within the last 2 days. Conversely, the long-term moving average has issued a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 156 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 350 and 328.49. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at 350. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 328.49 and 321.22. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 18.56 between its high and low, which is 4.62%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.76%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.73. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $421.06. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $350. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources remains neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 15,200 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 46.183. In total, insiders purchased 462,421 shares and sold 1,304,122 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After carefully analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we anticipate Tesla will open at approximately $4.07, beginning trading around $408.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day, with best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.